Start preparation for more than 50,000 questions. With this preparation series, build your career with computer. Preparation for computer operator with 50,000 questions answered. First question. SVGA is related to A. Printer, B. Monitor, C. CPU, D. All. And the answer is monitor. Second question. From which technology CD-ROM format? A. Optical, B. Optical fiber, C. Mechanical, D. Electromechanical. And the answer is optical. Third question. Which is popular secondary storage device? A. Hard disk, B. Floppy disk, C. Tape, D. No one of the above. And the answer is hard disk. Fourth question. Which one is not a valid floppy disk capacity? A. 1.24 megabytes, B. 1.44 megabytes, C. 360 kilobytes, D. 720 kilobytes. And the answer is 360 kilobytes. Fifth question. Which device is used to relation for computer and user? A. Software, B. Hardware, C. Peripheral, D. Memory. And the answer is peripheral. Sixth question. OCR, optical character reader, is A. Output device, B. Storage device, C. Processing device, D. A direct input device. And the answer is a direct input device. Seventh question. In case of microcomputer, hard disk drive is known as A. Removable disk, B. Portable disk, C. Fixed disk, D. All of the above. And the answer is fixed disk. Eighth question. To protect our PC from sudden interruption of commercial line, we need A. UPS, B. Volt guard, C. Stabilizer, D. All the above. And the answer is UPS. Ninth question. Which device is known as mass storage device? A. Hard disk drive, B. Floppy disk drive, C. Punched card, D. No one of the above. And the answer is hard disk drive. 10th question. Which computer falls on the basic model? A. Microcomputer, B. Analog computer, C. IMB compatible, D. XT Computer. And the answer is XT Computer. Subscribe to continue the learning and preparation.